It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the completely refreshed 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. Driver's door has power door locks, a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power windows, power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have the electric park brake, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, trailer mode. By turning this dial to the right we have various drive modes appear on the dash. Some lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a light leather interior, and that center console opens up into an additional seat. Next I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert. And to the right are the Bluetooth and audio controls. Up next is our fully customizable driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead are some interior light buttons and OnStar. Up next is GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. Our shortcut buttons are down the left here, including our trailering app, Bluetooth. We also have Google Maps. There we go. This screen also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. That straight line there is for hitch guidance. Down below, lane departure warning, auto stop start, tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the engine push start button, just apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the truck, dual zone climate control buttons with air conditioning and heated front seats. Starting at the front of the Sierra, you'll notice the completely refreshed front end, black tow hooks, rectangular fog lights, signature C-shaped LED headlamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood. Those side mirrors have a chrome mirror cap, chrome door handles. They also have the integrated turn signal indicator, tinted windows, keyless entry, keyless start, remote start. As we make our way toward the back, you'll notice this truck comes with the X31 Offroad Package. It's got off-road suspension, hill descent control, a 2-speed transfer case, high capacity air filter. We also have the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck has GMC's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push the button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's 6-way MultiPro tailgate. By pushing 2 additional buttons, we're able to drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner with the GMC logo, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we'll be taking a look inside the back of this 6-passenger truck. Our passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, the rear fans, USB ports, and a power plug-in. All-weather floor mats can be found on the floor. Our middle seat folds down into dual cup holders or an armrest. Behind the seat storage can be found behind either one of those rear seats, as well as under seat storage, accessible by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.